You know, sometimes dreams do come true. Tomorrow is the release of Christmas Cheer. It's the official release date. It'll be available for order. I guess if you ordered it from Amazon, it'll be shipping it out. So I decided to celebrate by getting myself this box of 150 colored pencils, the Prismacolor Premier. And when I was a kid, there was nothing I would have loved more than to have Prismacolor pencil crayons, as we call them in Canada. And Amazon had a big sale a week or so ago. They were, I think, 40% off. And I thought, you know what? If ever I was going to get them, it's going to be now. And so there's just lots and lots of amazing colors. And of course, the Prismacolor Premier are just a dream to color with. Okay, the noise in the background is Buttercup going crazy with her toy. And of course, when I'm on the phone or when I record a video, she's being noisy. Anyway, these pencils are a dream to color with because they're not really waxy. They've just got really rich pigment. It's like velvet when you color with them. So don't be jealous. I waited a long time to get myself this set. I just can't wait to start coloring with them. I do have some Prismacolor Premier pencils, but I think I had a set of I don't know, maybe, somewhere between 20 and 50. I can't remember what the small set is like. There's 150 here, so super excited. Just wanted to share that. Thanks. Don't forget to get your copy of Christmas Cheer. Bye.